Drones are everywhere these days. From delivering packages to surveying farmland to inspecting bridges, drones are changing the way we live and work. But what is the history of drone technology, and what does the future hold for these amazing machines? The history of drones can be traced back to the late 19th century, when the first unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, were developed for military use. These early UAVs were simple devices that were controlled by wires or cables. In the early 20th century, radio-controlled UAVs were developed, which gave operators more control over the vehicles. These UAVs were used for a variety of purposes, including aerial photography, surveillance, and target practice. During World War II, both the Allied and Axis powers used UAVs for a variety of purposes, including reconnaissance, bombing, and kamikaze attacks. After World War II, UAV development continued, but the technology was largely limited to military use. However, in recent years, there has been a growing interest in commercial UAVs or drones. There are many people who have contributed to the development and commercialization of drones. Some of the key pioneers in the field include Reginald Denny. Denny was a British actor and inventor who developed a radio-controlled target aircraft in the 1930s. His company, Radioplane Company, produced the first mass-produced UAVs for the US military during World War II. Kalman Tihanyi. Tihanyi was a Hungarian scientist who invented the first infrared-sensitive television camera in the 1920s. He also developed early concepts for remote-controlled aircraft and television guidance systems. Paul E. Garber. Garber was an American engineer and curator who was instrumental in the development of the Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum. He also played a key role in the development of early UAVs, including the Kettering bug, which was the first US-developed UAV to fly successfully. John Langford. Langford is an Australian engineer who is considered to be the father of the modern quadcopter drone. He developed the first successful quadcopter drone in the early 1980s. Chris Anderson. Anderson is the co-founder of Wired Magazine and the founder of DIY Drones, a company that sells and supports drone technology. He is also the author of the book The Long Tail, which discusses the rise of niche markets and the impact of the internet on the economy. DJI. DJI is a Chinese company that is one of the world's leading manufacturers of commercial drones. DJI drones are used by a variety of industries, including photography, videography, agriculture, and construction. Drones are used for a wide variety of applications today. Some of the most common uses include delivery, inspection and maintenance, surveillance and security, mapping and surveying, and agriculture. In terms of delivery, drones are being used to deliver packages, food, and other goods to people's homes and businesses. They can travel up to 30 miles round trip and require 1,000 to 1,500 watts of power from lithium-ion batteries. The cost of these drones ranges from $1,000 to $10,000, and they can carry up to 50 pounds of weight. Some of the service-providing companies in this field include Amazon, Wing, and Walmart. For inspection and maintenance purposes, drones are used to inspect bridges, power lines, and other infrastructure for damage and other problems. They can travel up to 20 miles round trip and require 500 to 1,000 watts of power. These drones are typically equipped with more sophisticated sensors and cameras, making them costlier, ranging from $5,000 to $20,000. They can carry up to 20 pounds of weight. Service-providing companies in this field include Skyward, Aerodyne, and Flyability. Drones are also used for surveillance and security purposes. Law enforcement and security companies use drones to monitor areas for crime and other suspicious activity. These drones can travel up to 10 miles round trip and require 250 to 500 watts of power. They cost between $2,000 and $15,000. In the field of mapping and surveying, drones are used to create detailed maps and surveys of land areas. They can travel up to 10 miles round trip and require 250 to 500 watts of power. The cost of these drones ranges from $3,000 to $20,000, and they can carry up to 10 pounds of weight. Service-providing companies in this field include Drone Deploy, Precision Hawk, and Mapbox. In agriculture, farmers use drones to monitor crops, apply pesticides, and assess crop health. These drones can travel up to 10 miles round trip and require 250 to 500 watts of power. They cost between $2,000 and $10,000 and can carry up to 20 pounds of weight. Some of the service-providing companies in this field include AgeEagle, Drone Deploy, and Precision. Drones are utilized to search for missing individuals and deliver supplies to disaster-stricken areas. With a maximum round-trip distance of up to 5 miles or 8.05 kilometers, these drones require a power range of 500 to 1,000 watts powered by lithium-ion batteries. The cost of these drones ranges from $5,000 to $20,000, with a weight-carrying capacity of up to 15 pounds or 6.80 kilograms. Some notable service providers in this field include Flyability, Squadron Systems, and Drone Deploy. Drones play a crucial role in tracking and monitoring wildlife populations, as well as combating poaching. Similar to search and rescue drones, these drones have a maximum round-trip distance of up to 5 miles or 8.05 kilometers. They require a power range of 250 to 500 watts, also powered by lithium-ion batteries. The cost of these drones ranges from $3,000 to $15,000, with a weight-carrying capacity of up to 10 pounds or 4.54 kilograms. Service providers such as the World Wildlife Fund, Nature Conservancy, and Conservation International are actively involved in this field. Drones are extensively used by photographers and videographers to capture breathtaking aerial footage. These drones have a maximum round-trip distance of up to 5 miles or 8.05 kilometers, with a power requirement of 100 to 250 watts, powered by lithium-ion batteries. The cost of these drones ranges from $1,000 to $5,000, with a weight-carrying capacity of up to 5 pounds or 2.27 kilograms. DJI, Autel Robotics, and Parrot are some of the leading service providers in this industry. Drones are utilized by schools, universities, and researchers for educational purposes and a wide range of research projects. These drones have a maximum round-trip distance of up to 5 miles or 8.05 kilometers, with a power requirement of 100 to 250 watts, powered by lithium-ion batteries. The cost of these drones ranges from $1,000 to $5,000, with a weight-carrying capacity of up to 5 pounds or 2.27 kilograms. Universities and research institutions around the world are actively involved in providing these services. Drones are also used for entertainment purposes, such as racing and other recreational activities. These drones have a maximum round-trip distance of up to 5 miles, or 8.05 kilometers, with a power requirement of 100 to 250 watts, powered by lithium-ion batteries. The cost of these drones ranges from $1,000 to $2,000, with a weight-carrying capacity of up to 5 pounds or 2.27 kilograms. DJI, Parrot, and Sky Viper are some of the prominent service providers in this field. Disaster relief. Drones can be used to assess damage after a disaster, deliver aid to affected areas, and search for survivors. Construction. Drones can be used to survey construction sites, monitor progress, and inspect finished work. Mining. Drones can be used to explore mining sites, map resources, and inspect equipment. Oil and gas. Drones can be used to inspect pipelines, survey oil and gas fields, and monitor environmental impact. Insurance. Drones can be used to assess damage after a natural disaster or other incident. This information can help insurance companies to process claims more quickly and efficiently. The future of drone technology is very bright. Drones are becoming increasingly sophisticated and affordable, and they are being used for new and innovative applications all the time. In the future, drones are likely to play an even greater role in our lives. We can expect to see drones used for everything from delivering pizzas to transporting people to exploring new planets. Drones are an amazing technology with the potential to revolutionize many industries and aspects of our lives. As drone technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and groundbreaking applications for these amazing machines. Thank you for watching the channel Life Thrills. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about the future of drones.